Good evening to Sir Winema and Sir Whiteman. I will present about the types of audit and audit procedure. It will take several minutes to present this topic.
Okay, good evening to you too, Ms. Pavin. Please proceed.
Thank you, Sir Lama. The first point in this topic is management assertions. The auditor's use of management assertions to organize audit evidence. The auditor gathers sufficient appropriate evidence to determine whether management assertions are true. These are claims by members of management regarding certain aspects of a business. The concept is primarily used in regard to the audit of a company's financial statements, where the auditors rely upon a variety of assertions regarding the business. The auditor tests the validity of these assertions by conducting a number of audit tests.
Very good, Miss Pathin. So, how about types of audit evidence?
Thank you. There are 5 types of audit evidence that I know, sir. There are physical evidence, documentary evidence, analytical evidence, computations, and the lastly is confirmation.
Very good. How about quality and adequacy of audit evidence? Did you know that?
Yeah, of course, Sir Whitehouse. I know that. Sufficiency, appropriateness, and reliability. Sufficiency is the measure of the quantity of audit evidence. The quantity of audit evidence needed is affected by the following: risk of material misstatement and quality of the audit evidence. Meanwhile, for appropriateness is the measure of quality of the evidence, and CRIS must be both reliability and relevance in providing support. For reliability is to measure the trustworthiness of the evidence. Level of reliability of the evidence is higher if the auditor has direct knowledge about nature and sources of the evidence.
I see. So then, how about the auditing procedure used to collect evidence? Did you know the flow?
I know, sir. There are 7 procedures that auditor used to collect evidence. It was analytical procedure, inquiry, inspection, observation, recalculation, reperformance, and external confirmation, sir.
Good. Can you tell us about types of audit procedures and audit test, Ms. Faden?
Okay, sir. Types of audits have 4 procedures. Firstly is planning, second, testing controls and transaction, third, testing balance, and the lastly is reporting. Meanwhile, for types of audit test is: these are the types of audit test. The top one is risk assessment procedures, secondly is test of control, third, substantive test of transaction, fourth, analytical procedures, and the last one is test of details of balance.
You know that. Very good. How about compliance and substantive test? Can you explain to us about it?
Compliance test is when the audit confirms or not a firm following the rules and regulations applicable to an activity or practice. For substantive test is a procedure used to have check for errors in balance sheet and other financial documents during accounting audits.
Good. How about the last one, the test of transaction and balance? Did you know that?
I don't know, sir. I don't know the test of transaction and balance inside this topic.
It's okay, sir. I will help Miss Fatin to explain about it. There are 3 forms of substantive tests. First is analytical procedures, second, test of transaction, and the last one is test of balance. Analytical procedures is to evaluate the financial statements in the current year by analyzing relationship between financial and non-financial data. Moreover, for the test of transaction, it involves the examining support for the individual and credits posted to an account. And the last, test of balance or account balances, it used to concentrate on the details of amount contained in the account balances and confirm the accuracy of the amounts. That's all for the test of transaction and balance.
Very good, Mr. Xi. You help Miss Faden to explain about it. Now, we all can continue our work.
Thank you for helping me, Mr. Xi. After this, I will spend you for dinner. See you.
Thank you, Miss Fatin, for this. Next topic I will help you to present about it and do the report together.